All right, this is the third grade Module 1, Lesson 1. And in this lesson, we are understanding that equal groups really suggests the act of multiplication. So in this picture, what we've got is looks like scissors, I guess. And we've got one group of scissors, another group, another group. So we've got these equal-sized groups. And we have 6 groups, but that's 6 groups of 3. So that's going to be right here. We've got a 3 right here. And so that's going to be 3. Oops, where's my eraser? There, erase. And then we've got plus another 3, plus another 3, plus another 3, plus another 3, plus another 3. So we should have 6 groups. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So there's 6 groups. And sure enough, we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 threes. And if we add them all up, we get 18. Now, of course, your kids, they're probably going to count on their fingers. Maybe they'll do some skip counting, and that's good too. And so, of course, we've got 6 groups of 3, and that equals 18. And then lastly, the multiplication is 6 times 3 equals 18. Now, here's the big deal. So in the United States, when we see these 6 groups, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and then we say, okay, and there's 3 inside. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. So in the United States, it's customary, we say, hey, 6 groups of 3. Now, there are a lot of other countries that they think of it differently. They say it's 3 6 times. And so they'll write it like 3 times 6. While in the United States, it's more customary to do 6 times 3. As the teacher, you got to make sure you're aware of that this kid may be coming from a country and consequently may have parents who are trying to counsel the kid to do this where you might be expecting this. Technically they're both right. It's a cultural thing. It's a convention thing. So in the United States, we're going to look at this picture right here as 6 times 3 because it's 6 groups of 3. But be aware that there's no mathematical reason for that. It's just a convention. It's just a rule that we live by in this country. Not all countries follow that same rule. So in this problem, we've got draw a picture to show 4 times 2 equals 8. So 4 times 2, this is the number of groups, 4 groups. And this right here is the size of the groups. So we're going to have 4 groups. 1, 2, 3, 4. And then inside each of those groups is 2. So we got 1, 2, and then 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. And there is our model to show 4 times 2 equals 8. And the last one in this video, it says circle the pencils below to show 3 groups of 6. All right. Now, in this problem, this is pretty straightforward. We're all going to agree, regardless of the country that we're from. So here is one group of 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Here's another group of 6. And then lastly, here's our final group of 6. Now it says write an addition problem. So that's going to be 6 plus 6 plus 6, and that's 18. And then the multiplication is going to be 3 groups of 6 equals 18. And that's it. Now remember, some countries may do 6 times 3, which is saying 6 3 times. And culturally speaking, that's okay. You know, there's other countries that do it differently. We just need to be aware that some countries do this while our country tends to do this. And that is this video.